This is the outside of the house we are showcasing today. Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscription box as we head to road to 1000 subscribers. This is the house we are going to showcase today. Today we are at K Road. It's a 1-bedroom house but with an open kitchen. So when you enter the house, this is the first thing you see, the drawers of the kitchen, and at the bottom is the sink.
I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Oh.
This is your kitchen cabinet space.
When you send pictures. Oh. Would you be waiting?
So this is the sink, and on top of the sink you have more lighting. And this is the bedroom. This is the wardrobe of this bedroom. From here, let's have a look at the washroom of this house. So this is the washroom. So we are done with our first house. Let me just show you how the outside looks like before we can get to our second house. So this is the second house I'll be showcasing today. It's also a 1-bedroom but on a different building. This is the kitchen of this house. So below here you have the kitchen cabinets, and on top you have a sink. Here you can see you have a guest on the sink. Yeah, so this is the kitchen, and after here I'm going to show you now the bedroom, and on top here is more cabinets on your kitchen. Now let's have a look at this bedroom. So here we have the wardrobe cabinets, and on this side you have your window. That is it for today's video. So this house I'm showcasing at the moment is 10,000 Kenyan shillings per month. The one that I showcased, the first house that I showcased, is 12,000 Kenyan shillings per month. That is not inclusive of water you paid separately. More details about the house are going to be on the description box. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video. And don't forget to hit that subscription button.
Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Can't find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you?